Hello everyone. So in this video I will talk about how to use FDOT tool, the Planset Manager, while you are working in ProjectWise. If you look at my YouTube channel, before I made a video on how actually to use all these with ProjectWise, which is a lengthy process. Basically these tools like to go look for the C drive. That's how they are programmed to do. They have no connection between the tool itself with ProjectWise. So they always go back to how they are programmed originally to go to your C drive and then go to your work set and then find the project itself with these two DNA files that comes with it. In that video, I explained exactly what to do, how to mimic that, make up a folder here, an empty folder, a template empty folder, and then you bring these from ProjectWise, the DG, NWS, CFG, bring them here, and then bring your file from ProjectWise here locally, and then use the tool, get your numbering, get your stuff, and then select the file and bring it back to ProjectWise. That work, and it still work, but that's a dangerous way of doing it, because if you took the file, maybe somebody was in it, so you just have to be careful. And for more explanation about that, just look at my channel, how to use FDOT tools with ProjectWise. But I actually found a better way, a really better way. It's actually tricking this tool, knowing that it is getting stuff from ProjectWise. First of all, let me just fire one of these. As you see here right now, you see we're not gonna see anything in ProjectWise. It can create a file and it's just gonna go drop it to my template, but it's not gonna save it in ProjectWise. But you can do it like this and then get the empty file and put it there. But in reality, you shouldn't do that, because what this tool is doing, it literally getting a seed file, putting this name on it, and then putting it there. So what we do is we get the seed file from our seed file and drop it here, whatever project, and then use it, which is this file I'm opening right now, the FDOT ORD2 seed. It's an empty file. The other great tool that they have here is called the Planset Manager, which helps a lot with production. So if I click on browse, as you see here, it will go straight up to the C drive. There's no way for me to get this to ProjectWise, unless we do the following. We need to understand how ProjectWise work. When you double click on a file, right now I have this open, this file is saved locally. When you double click on it, ProjectWise download the file DGN itself in a specific location, and then use the resources from the installation that you have already for the FDOT connector, whatever it is, locally. So your local drive is actually being used, which is here, PW work. That's what got me to think, why not make this tool go find the file here? I've seen this done by a friend of mine, a colleague, and I was like, oh wow, that's good. But then we got a problem, and I didn't even explain the problem. But anyway, we fixed it. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. So this file here, as you can see it right now, is the one from ProjectWise, seed file. So let's put some plans here. Just quick plans. Let's go to drawing. I have non-plotting line, so let me just get a line. By the way, a lot of people, they don't know that you cannot do that. You can actually use in a line to use the name boundary tool. It doesn't have to be an alignment, by the way. So let's do on plan. Leave it like that. Boop. Select this. Let's make some of them. Here we go. It's gonna make them for me. Let's do OK. I unchecked to open the model, just so I want to go to them by itself. Okay, perfect. So now we have the sheets. So let's see, you see them here. So let's go to this sheet. As you see, it's here, it's coming. And the border itself, the default border from FDOT, which is, by the way, what I'm about to show you and using FDOT will only work with FDOT borders. Why? Let me show you why. Because their borders are loaded with these boxes. They're called items. So these items are loaded within this cell. So that's why you can see it here. You can actually come here manually and write stuff, and it will do it for you. And you're gonna fill those for you. You're gonna fill this, fill everything. But there are a way of doing all of it by one time using the tool. So let's start. Let's go to FDOT and then let's go to Planset Manager and then let's click on Browse. And then let's go actually to where ProjectWise save files, which is this place, and then let's go to where I know it is this server, and this is mine, and then I come here and I see one folder. What the heck? So if I went here, I see all these folders, but here I only see one folder. You would ask, I will show you how to solve this. You will ask, why am I interested in this folder? Because, let's go to ProjectWise. Like I said, when you double click on it, it will download it locally. It will download it and put it in one of these folders. These folders are called folder ID. That's these numbers here. When you click on your file, just find the folder ID here. And sometimes it will become in the columns, but I have my own personal view, so you're not going to see it here. I don't have it because I don't care for it, but you have this one here. You just need to find the folder ID, which is, as you can see, it's 553 and then 3 4s, right? So let's go look for it here. Let me make them like this. Oh, there we go. 5 5 3. I might miss it. Here we go. That's the one. So if I open this folder, let's see what's in it, right? See a lot of things here because all the stuff that I've been opening here, everything will brought here, including the file that I have open right now. So the theory is, which is going to work, is you fire up the tool and take it to that folder, and then you will pick it up. It will pick up all these models. Let me close this. It will pick up the models that you have. You will pick up all your sheet models that's already loaded with the item type, so you can fill it up for you. But you see, we have a problem here. This problem that I'm having right now is the common problem that I see a lot of people have it. But I've seen some people magically, when they open this one, they see everything. So I don't know why. There are multiple reasons might be why. It might be because of the server itself and how the process and the protocol when you open this file and what it download. But anyway, if you got your folder already here, just click on it and select and use the tool. But if you're like me, you do not have it, this is how you solve this. Let's go back there. So it's D0 540. Okay, 54. Let's find it. Hopefully 540. Is that the one? No, that's 3344. Okay, 3 and then 66. Here we go. See that folder? Let's actually see what's inside it. You're gonna be shocked what's inside it. Nothing. Nope. Hold on. I know I opened the wrong one. I'm sorry. Okay. What's wrong with me? Let's do that again. 54. Oh, because I clicked on. Good God. Okay. Let's do that again. Pum 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 pum. And by the way, if this is your first time watching my video, this is how I do my videos. I mean, no editing, no skipping, no shady ways like a lot of people when they do tutorials. You have stuff, they skip stuff and then they cut them and edit them, and then you were like, huh? Why? Yeah, I'm raw here. You're gonna see what I'm seeing. Okay, let's stop playing. 5 5. I'm sorry. 5 4. Okay, 54036. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm so stupid, right? Why didn't search here? Okay. D 05 40366. Duh, I found it. Okay, so this is what's inside it. Inside it, this DMS folder, which is again part of the blank template. and open an empty blank DGN that have the FDOT logo and the FDOT logo that is attached inside this. So I don't care about this. So there are two ways of doing this. You get this folder, you find it, you right click on it, you delete it. Or you type old, and if you are afraid to delete it, if you are scared, because I've seen some people are scared, but if you delete it, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to try both way. So if I did properties, show more, rename, and then let's click here. Let's do old. So now it's old, right? So now let's close this. Let's close this again. Let's open it again. Let's go browse. See, it resetted everything. Why? Because of this. Project, here we go, and then this one, and then ta-da. Now I can see all the folders. See that? Even the old one. Which is, if you like some CAD conspiracy theories, I think FDOT did this because, I don't know, maybe they did this exactly because they don't want people to use their tool with ProjectWise. But I'm here to show you how to do that. So now we did this old, and even like I said, if we deleted it, it's going to re-download again. Whenever you open ProjectWise, it's going to download. So I'm going to delete it. Like I promised, I will show both way. To me is from what I noticed, that folder is the reason why this tool doesn't work with ProjectWise for some reason. See, I still have them here. So let's go find my file, right? The one that have. Let's open ProjectWise. So this file, like I said, is in 553 and then 3/4. So let's do that. 55. Three, 4, 4. See that? That's here. I just selected it and let's do OK. And let's see what you're gonna bring. Here we go. Perfect. It went to every DG in there that have sheets in it, and he brought them here for me. These are my sheets that I made. So let's use the tool. Let's go here. I'm gonna get all of them. The one that I want. I shift and select all of them, and then let's do move. Now I have them here. So click here and then right click here. Let's do numbering first, right? Bulk. Where's the bulk? Okay. I want them to be 001. You can make them 1, 2 if you want. It's up to you. And then the increment 1. Here you go. It did it. Let's do that again. Let's actually do 01. I don't know if he's gonna do 01. Seems like it doesn't like that. Yeah, it doesn't like that. Well, if you are for some reason you want the 01 or 04, you can come here and type it. But you have to do it by hand for all of them. Anyway, let's type that. Then let's go fill the other stuff. So let's do bulk. So here, this is gonna fill us. This is the titles. You see this one, the top and the middle and the bottom. I'm gonna fill the middle. Let's type this project. Oh no, this is plans, right? Roadway plan, and then this one, the project information. If I have the number, I will type it. If I don't, accept numbers and letters, and the road number, SR, whatever, 55, road ID. Let me just leave it DDDD, and then the county is the same also. If you have 3 counties on top of each other, you select them. If you are just 2, you select them, for example, this one and this one, or this one and this one. But I want it in the middle, so it can appear in the middle. Hamilton, and then let's go here. This is where you do all the EUR information and the FAC note that's going to be here. I'm going to see them here. Why? I'm going to explain why. Because I already have an Excel, which is a professional Excel. This professional Excel, if you don't know where to get it, go back to my old videos. You're going to see why. That's you find it here with the resources. And it's an empty Excel. Inside it, you have columns. You type your EUR information. That's it. It's not that hard. So I'm selecting that. And that's why I see these people here. So let's select one of them, and then let's just do OK. Ta-da! You see, it's already filled it. The title for me, and then this one, and then these, and then the professional. So perfect. So then do commit changes. It's done, and just like that, you numbered all your sheet and you filled all of them. See? Magic, right? But as you know, you have to go to every one and open them just so you can update, right? But don't do that. There are a better way. Go here. There's something called refresh model. You click on it, and then after that, find your file, which is this one. And by the way, this is how we found out that DOT, their tool is actually like C, and this is where kind of the idea came from. If you're like interested how we got that, so add this, and then boop, and then refresh all selected files, right? You see what it's gonna do? Boop, 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 boop. It's gonna open all of them and refresh them for you. As you can see here, Siri is updating it, because you just have to open it and it will automatically read it. See how fast that is? Because I've seen some people struggle and have to do them one by one. Imagine if you have like 100 plans and you are in ProjectWise. How are you going to do it? Well, you're welcome. Here we go. And then let's just save. And, oh, that's it. File. Let me update server copy. Let's close it. Here we go, and you want me to check it in. Ta-da! And it's checked in here already. You can see. It's here, it's done. And when the file got updated, which is today. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.